The bond market's secret that controls your money. Most people believe the stock market is the engine that drives the economy. Every headline, every social media post, and every financial news segment seems to reinforce the same idea. Stocks go up, people celebrate. Stocks crash, everyone panics. But what if I told you that's only part of the story? What if the real force controlling your mortgage payment, your retirement account, your savings, inflation, business growth, and even the price of your next investment isn't the stock market at all? What if it's the bond market? Most people never learn how bonds actually work. They're told bonds are boring, safe, and only useful for retirees. So they ignore them completely. That might be one of the most expensive financial mistakes you could ever make. Because while millions of investors spend every day watching stock prices move by the second, the world's biggest investors are quietly watching something else. The bond market. And when the bond market changes direction, almost everything else eventually follows. By the end of this video, you'll understand why governments fear it, why billionaires respect it, and why understanding bonds may completely change the way you think about money forever. But before we dive into this hidden side of finance, take a second to help this channel reach more people who want to become financially smarter. If you've ever wondered why interest rates suddenly rise, why the economy seems unpredictable, or why investing feels more confusing than ever, hit the like button. It tells YouTube that this video is worth sharing with people who need to see it. Then leave a comment below and tell me this. Have you ever ignored bonds because you thought they were boring? I'd genuinely love to know. And if you're serious about understanding how money really works, not just following headlines, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Every week, we break down complex financial topics into simple ideas that can help you make better decisions with your money. Now, imagine lending money to a friend. Instead of asking a bank for a loan, your friend asks you directly. You agree to lend them $1,000. In return, they promise to pay you back in 1 year, plus $50 as a thank you. Simple. A bond works almost exactly the same way. Except instead of lending money to your friend, you're lending money to a government or a company. That's it. The concept is incredibly simple. But what happens after that is what changes everything. Because bonds don't just represent loans. They determine the cost of money itself. Think about that for a moment. Every family buying a home. Every business expanding operations. Every government funding infrastructure. Every corporation launching a new product. Almost all of it depends on borrowing money. And the price of borrowing money depends heavily on what happens inside the bond market. When bond yields rise, borrowing becomes more expensive. Mortgages become more expensive. Car loans become more expensive. Business loans become more expensive. Governments suddenly have to spend more servicing their debt. Consumers begin spending less. Businesses slow hiring. Investments become more cautious. The economy starts cooling down. All because something happened in the bond market that most people never noticed. That's why experienced investors don't just watch stock indexes. They watch bond yields. Because bonds often move before the rest of the financial system reacts. It's like hearing thunder before the storm arrives. Now here's where it becomes even more interesting. Many people think central banks control interest rates completely. They certainly have enormous influence. But they don't have total control. The bond market has millions of participants. Banks, insurance companies, pension funds, governments, investment firms, foreign countries, institutional investors managing trillions of dollars. Every single day, they collectively decide how much risk they're willing to accept. That enormous flow of capital creates prices. Those prices create yields. And those yields influence almost every financial decision made across the economy. In other words, the bond market is constantly voting on the future. If investors believe inflation will stay high, they demand higher returns. If they fear economic weakness, they buy more bonds. If confidence disappears, yields can move dramatically. Those movements ripple through everything. That's why the bond market is often called smarter than the stock market. Stocks are driven by excitement. Bonds are driven by expectations. And expectations shape reality. Here's an example. Imagine two different worlds. In the first world, you can safely earn 5% every year by owning government bonds. In the second world, those same bonds only pay 1%. Would you invest in risky companies the same way in both situations? Probably not. When safe investments pay almost nothing, investors chase risk. Money floods into stocks, real estate, technology, cryptocurrencies, anything promising higher returns. But when bond yields rise, suddenly safe investments become attractive again. Money begins leaving riskier assets. Stock prices often struggle. Real estate slows. Speculation fades. This is one reason why markets can change so dramatically even when company profits haven't changed much. The price of money has changed. And that's exactly what bonds influence. Now think about your own financial life. Maybe you're saving for retirement. Maybe you're investing every month. Maybe you're planning to buy a home. Maybe you're simply trying to protect your purchasing power. Whether you realize it or not, the bond market is already affecting every one of those goals. Higher mortgage rates can cost families tens of thousands of dollars over the life of a loan. Higher borrowing costs can reduce business expansion. Slower growth can affect employment. Inflation changes what your paycheck can actually buy. None of these happen in isolation. They're connected. And bonds sit quietly at the center of that system. That's the secret most people never learn. Financial news loves dramatic stock market headlines because they're exciting. The bond market rarely makes headlines. It's quieter, less emotional, more technical. But behind the scenes, it's often writing the script everyone else eventually follows. The smartest investors understand this. They don't panic every time the stock market moves. Instead, they ask a different question. What is the bond market telling us? Sometimes the answer is optimism. Sometimes caution. Sometimes fear. Sometimes opportunity. Learning to listen to those signals won't make you predict the future perfectly. No one can do that. But it gives you context. And context helps you make better financial decisions instead of emotional ones. That's one of the biggest advantages any investor can develop. Understanding how money flows. Understanding why interest rates matter. Understanding why borrowing becomes easier or harder. Understanding why asset prices change. And understanding that beneath all those headlines is a financial system connected by one enormous market that most people overlook. The bond market. Once you see that connection, you'll never read financial news the same way again. You'll begin noticing patterns that once seemed invisible. You'll understand why governments care so much about inflation. Why businesses react to interest rates. Why investors constantly monitor treasury yields. Why economic cycles repeat. And perhaps most importantly, you'll stop reacting emotionally to every headline because you'll finally understand what's happening underneath the surface. Financial education isn't about memorizing definitions. It's about seeing relationships. Once those relationships become clear, money starts making a lot more sense. And that's exactly why understanding bonds isn't just about investing. It's about understanding the entire financial world around you. If you made it this far, chances are you're serious about becoming a smarter investor. So subscribe to the channel, because these are the kinds of financial lessons that most people never learn, but they can completely change how you manage your money. Before you go, leave a comment below and type, "I understand money." I'd love to see how many people are committed to learning what really drives the financial system. If you found value in today's video, don't forget to leave a like. It helps this channel reach more people who want to build financial confidence instead of financial confusion. And finally, make sure you watch the next video that's on your screen right now. It connects perfectly with what you just learned, and it may completely change the way you think about investing. I'll see you there.